Let's make crispy cheeseburger dumplings. These dumplings are filled with ground beef, US cheddar cheese, onions, some pickles. And then we've got a homemade burger sauce with QP mayo, ketchup, mustard, more pickles, and some spices. And just look at that crispy cheese that is pan fried onto the dumplings. Listen for the crunch. Oh good. It's basically a bite-sized burger. You don't have any toppings sliding off. You don't have as much of the mess. You can just, These dumplings are seriously so satisfying and so delicious. I just can't stop scratching them. And also eating them. They're seriously just, they've got it all. They're so savory. And they're super juicy. I don't know if you can see, but that beef filling. Whatever your favorite burger toppings are, go ahead and stuff them into a dumpling and tag me so I can see what you end up coming up with. If you enjoy this video, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more recipes. See ya!